So I have the SACHS front and rear shocks. This is the front, the rear. You will need to get one of these jacks. If you don't have it, you won't be able to get the clearance to install your shock. This is me being completely stupid. I did not know which position. Actually, although I thought the vertical position was the open position, for some reason the plastic part was slightly misaligned. And after fumbling for a little bit, I checked the left side to see which position would open the cover, and then I was able to easily open the right side. There are several of these plastic pins. All you have to do is squeeze the sides and pull out in order to remove them. And there are going to be several of these inside the trunk. I'm going around the car, entering the rear seat to gain access. Here I'm lifting the bottom cover of the trunk. Actually, before you start on anything, just remove the bottom trunk and get it out of the way so you can gain access. Hey guys, so this is a quick tip. Unless you have an air gun, I suggest you actually loosen the bolts on your tires before you start to jack it up. Otherwise, you may have to do it again. So just loosen these nuts before you actually jack it up on your car, jack up your car, because unless you have a pneumatic air gun, those impact wrenches or impact guns are not going to really loosen these bolts. And it's good to have like these long breaker bar. I will put my jack right here. You can basically lift it up, lift up the car right here.
So for my kit, I just bought my shocks. I did not buy the upper mount, so I'm not going to take out these 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. If you want to know, they're 10 millimeters. For me, I'm just going to actually take out this bolt right here and drop the shock. This is going to be at 18 millimeter. You're actually going to need to counter it with a T40 screw.
I didn't have the perfect size wrench, and the monkey wrench that I was using kept on widening apart slightly, and it actually started damaging the bolt. I finally cracked it loose and was able to use my impact drill.
Next, you're going to have to remove this bolt, which is a 15 millimeter. Yeah.
That didn't work out too well. Bring out the breaker bar. Damn it, the car was too low. These are the times you wish you had a hydraulic lift. Somehow it did fall out at an extreme angle.
Let me see if I can get a shot. So basically what I'm going to do now is thread the shock inside. This bolt should be torqued at around 80 Newton meters or 59 foot-pounds. It is the number 15 millimeter bolt. Right now I'm just going to put the nut. I'm not actually going to tighten this fully until I lower the my car. So I'm just going to have this bolt on, and then when I lower the car, then I'm just going to fully torque it. Right now I'm just going to go to the other side and do the rest. So what I did was basically lower my car. Now I'm just going to tighten these bolts. So the upper mount should be torqued at 60 Newton meters or 44 foot-pounds. So I did it for the other side also. Next I'm just going to put the back the foam and put in the rest of the covers. Sticking the clip. I'm going to put the other side.
If you found this video helpful, give me a like and subscribe. Thanks.